Hey everyone, I'm Drew Bain with my city Chattanooga Home Inspector, and I'm here with Malcolm Godwin with Radon Eraser, which is one of our trusted and preferred partners.
Thanks, Drew. We've noticed over the years that Chattanooga has a legit problem with radon. If you don't know what it is, outside of those that don't smoke cigarettes, it's the number one leading cause of lung cancer. So with Drew's team and their effectiveness of using top technology to test for radon, we're actually able to get a quote really quickly and provide mitigation services.
So if we find high radon at your home inspection, we can make that a seamless process by working closely with Radon Eraser to get you a quick and easy quote so that you can use that for negotiations moving forward.
If you're using Drew and his team, make sure that you go ahead and get a radon test. You want to make sure that if you do have high levels of radon, that we fix it before you move into the house and it's your problem at that point. For more info, get a hold of Drew or get a hold of us at 423-92-RADON.